Hello, painting friends. Thank you for coming in and looking at my channel. I'm glad you're here. We're going to do, I got something I placed an order. I got the YIHO blow dryer. I have not tried it. It is brand new, fresh, and clean. And we're going to try it together. This could be interesting. We'll see what happens. So I have a, let me check, 8x8 canvas here. I have my PPG Multi-Pro on top of it. I got myself some new little containers from fluid-art.co. And you would not believe what I've been doing. I'll show you after if I remember. Chances are I will forget. So this first color is Diox Purple by Amsterdam. We are doing a big bloom. I have a color combination I think I like, and the reason I'm moving into some new colors here is because I have like 8 times 8, 64 new containers like this, and I can see them much easier. I can see the true color much easier. So I was having fun going around and picking out stuff to use today. This is Sunburst by Primary Elements. Beautiful yellow. It's a pigment. So now, because we are going bigger than a tile, like I've been doing lately, we want to use more color. We want to make sure we have enough down to get out to the edges. This is Golden QNAG Quinacridone Nickel Azo Gold. I think that's going to be beautiful with that purple and some of the other colors that we have already. This is one, I don't even think I've used this color before. This is Liquitex Deep Violet, and it is a beautiful kind of deep magenta violet. Very pretty. And I looked at it. I've got this whole container that was in my old containers, and I'm thinking, I don't think I've used it yet. Deco Art Extreme Aquamarine. Now this one is one of my favorite colors, so I know I've used it. And this is a paint. And we are going to, I don't want to end with Amsterdam Prussian Blue because I want to use a black cell activator. So let's put this Prussian Blue in here first, and then we'll add a little bit more of that aquamarine again. So basically what I'm hoping for here is a jewel tone sort of painting. There we go. We got that back on top. Now I'm going to get my cell activator, which is 3 parts Australian Floetrol to 1 part Amsterdam Oxide Black Paint. And I'm going to stir it up good. You always want to stir your cell activator really good because it settles. Now we need a good batch of it here. A good puddle because we are blowing far. And here comes the YIHO. Wish me luck. It's very powerful. I'm coming down. Ooh. Okay, I really like the YIHO. It is so powerful. I thought I was going to get, like, it was going to be crazy everywhere. However, it wasn't as powerful as I thought. So we do have some pretty cells here, but we need more. What a beautiful color combination this is. I really love the Diox Purple, the Prussian blue. We can see the aquamarine. We can see our QNAG out here and intermingled in there. We've got our Sunburst in there as well. Let's see, where is our deep violet? I'm not seeing that deep violet too much. Where did it go? But the nice thing about that YIHO blower is, look at, I've only got three little spots where the pillow came through. So it wasn't as powerful as I thought. And I was staying really far away so that I didn't get through to the pillow. It slid those paints very nicely over each other with a little bit of a sideways tilt. And because I never seem to master blowing with my lungs, I have been meaning to get that blower, that YIHO hair dryer, and I'm so glad I did. All right, we're going to give this some time to do its thing. We are going to modify this. So, yes, I'm very pleased with the YIHO. But you have to stay far away and come down and blow in the center and then kind of tilt far away and blow your colors out so you don't get the white. So let's see, what do I want to do with this modifying? I do want to go through that white. Oh, wow. That's going to be pretty. We need a little bit more. Pretty, pretty. Let's do some stuff out here. Just in case we end up seeing that. Ooh, I am excited. All right, let's give it a little help out here. Oh boy, I don't know if I have enough pillow. I'm excited about this. This is going to be sharp. And let's spin. Oh my gosh. Would you look at that? Oh, this is beautiful. I'm so excited. I thought this was just going to be a total fail using that blower for the first time. And I just figured the whole painting is going to be a mess and I won't like it. And I am absolutely thrilled. Oh boy. All right, we got to get it coming this way. So I'm pulling it over this way. Whew. Oh my goodness. All right, now we got to get it over this way. So if you look at my description box, you'll see where the pigments are, where I have links for where I get my pigments. You'll see fluid-art.co. That's where you get the YIHO blower if you're interested. That's also where you get the paint cups. And don't let me forget to show you. Oh, I have a finger. Oh, wow. This is just amazing. So excited. Have you ever seen anything so pretty? So let me take you down. First of all, I'm going to get my stuff out of the way so I can show you what I have been up to. I will show you the painting first. Look at those cells in the center. We've got peacock cells with multiple colors inside each cell. And just look at that. Isn't that pretty? So total success. I'm so excited. Now I'm going to bring you over here and show you. This is what I've been up to. I even have to get farther away. These are all my 8 trays. I have 8 containers each and I still don't have enough. So I think I need another 5 trays, but I'll be getting them. But I want to show you what I do. I know I've talked about it before, but I have these labeled. Like, that's Master's Touch Turquoise Green paint. That's the PT in the bottom here. And then I have this. That means it's opaque. Over here, Liquitex Phthalo Blue paint. It's, what is the word? Oh boy, you can't see through it. Opaque. Opaque. This one over here was transparent. Here's another opaque. Then I say if it's a pigment, a paint, pigment, paint. So if I know that I want to do these colors over here, I just go through my jars and I look for one of those colors in a paint first because I want a paint to be the first one down. Then I'll do maybe 2 pigments, then I do another paint, I do another pigment, and then I end with a paint usually. But over here I have the top row there are my interference colors. Then I've got my golds, my rose golds, my coppers, silvers, and then I got my 3 lighter whites that I like. Pearl White by Amsterdam, Titanium Buff Light, Latte is a pigment that has a little beige to it. And so far, I mean, I think you can tell I really like teals and turquoise because that's all of those. Then I've got my blues and my purples. And back there I have my reds, my oranges, my yellows. I've got my neons right there and my browns over there. So that is what I was determined to get organized. It was my birthday recently, and I thought I'm treating myself and getting organized and having, instead of having all these different sizes of containers that I got at the dollar store. So I'm really pleased. And I also have them organized by light to dark, teals, blues, or turquoises, blues, and purples. So that's what I have been up to, as well as waiting to use this YIHO, and I just love it. So pretty. So if you enjoyed my video, if you learned something, please like and subscribe to my channel. Turn on the notifications. I usually post something every day or every other day. Usually no more than that, unless I'm deathly ill. So I'll be here waiting for you. All right. Thank you, everybody. Have a good day. Bye-bye.